Honda kind of fixed itself. Now it's running on all cylinders. Still missing the door though. She's working fucking mint though. And the second part of hot wiring. Extend long red wire, touch starter, and clutch in. Project $65 Acura, ripping it around. One fucking headlight, unlit fucking door. About to use Project $65 Integra to tow shipbox broken BMW. Per Nate's idea, we kind of got the fucking Integra stuck in the mud. Boris made it back to the garage. Show you how we start her up. Project Burst runs! Oh! Good! What's up guys, back up here at J.R.C. Performance. Working on the Integra, Mr. Burris himself. Alternator's belt snapped the other day, so I decided to do a valve cover gasket. While that's off, I picked up a timing belt kit just in case the timing belt was bad. And I just grabbed it, and I could just rip it. Look at that. That's a bad timing belt. Damn. So, Burris is getting a new belt, new tensioner, water pump. Maybe change up the exhaust a little bit. But that's it for now. New plugs going in there. Pretty clean for a old girl. I'm just gonna rip it. Rip it right now. Like, really? I'm doing burnouts and ripping and this fucking thing. I could just rip it apart. The inner belt snapped on me. It's on the ground right there. See if she starts. What's up guys? Making a little video today on the old Twin Integra. Gonna be doing some upgrades to her today. Gonna leave these still on there for a while. These things are shot though. We got new turbos. Manifold. Gonna have to fix the boost leak. This seemed to have fell out. Whatever. Got new injectors. Got a new map sensor. 3-bar Honda cable. And then RC 650s. So we're on the last one. We got 3 out of the 4. Just stop, take a quick video, and show you what happens to old seals. They get stuck in there. But, yep. Out with the old, and with the new. Alright, so we got the fuel injectors in. All of them. I don't have the clamps to hold the plugs down yet, but if you prime the pump, no fuel leaking. Got the map sensor in. 3-bar fucking junker didder. So we'll see if she starts real quick before we start messing with the Honda. Pulling the old computer out. I haven't started it in a while. With these new big injectors, we should see if she'll start. Who knows? Oh, she starts right up. Look, the front's good. Running rich. That's alright. Alright, I guess it's time for the Honda. Here we go. Alright, so back at it. Got the big old fucking shield off here. Found our little computer. Plugs. Look a little like that. Bought this one used from a guy right around here. I'm in New York, 845. So he gave me that and injectors and whatnot. That's where I got all the parts. So now, oh yeah, that's it. That's it. Alright. Just gotta unplug this bad boy. But first, before we unplug it, gotta disconnect the battery. You know, safety precautions. Good. Positive too. Fuck it. Safety. So there we have it. Plugs, computers. Look correct. Put this one in. Ta-da! Very decently. Back seat. Good. Okay. We'll get back on the video. I'm a little late going back to lunch, but we're just playing around the Integra. Got launch control on Honda. Let's try this 3900. Sounded pretty good. decided to work today. Tuning it a little bit.